Namaste. Hello.
Get on my head. Get on my head.
Hello and welcome to the channel. It's AKD, and today I'm talking about the Hindi language. How far have I gone with the lesson? How deep am I into Hindi at the moment? Personally, when I assess myself, I've been practicing a lot, reading over the introductions and initial stages of learning languages. The first thing, or according to the model we use on the channel, is to know how to greet. Namaste. Hello. There's also namaskar. Namaste, namaskar. I think I'm okay with that. How do you respond when someone says namaste, namaskar? The same. Namaste, namaskar. From our learning model, the second thing to cover is the introduction of yourself or someone. So, what's your name? Where do you come from? How are you doing? So, what's your name? Aapka naam kya hai? What is your name? Aapka naam kya hai? How are you? Aap kaise hai? How are you? Aap kaise hai? Now I came across a different one recently. Kya hal hai? Kya hal hai? Also meaning how are you? And I'm fine. The response, I'm fine. Main accha hoon. Main theek hoon. There are obviously other ways you can express this, but I think these two are enough for the level I've reached. Another thing you should be able to ask is, where do you come from? Aap kaha se hai? Where do you come from? And my response that I've learned, I come from Ghana. Main Ghana se hai. Main Ghana se hai. I've heard people say main, the country, say whom instead of say hai. And as we go along, I think I'm going to learn more about it. आपका नाम क्या है? मेरा नाम AKD है. क्या हाल है? मैं अच्छा हूँ. For every language, once you begin to speak, it's easy to tell, especially when you're a beginner, that you're not a native. So the next thing you should be able to say is something like, I'm learning Hindi. मैं हिंदी सीख रहा हूँ. That means I am learning Hindi, because you will definitely be found out that you're a beginner, and you should be able to just say something like, I am learning Hindi. Another thing to note, very important, is the phrase, I don't understand. You should be able to say, I don't understand. Main nahi samja. And it's very, very important that you learn this immediately. Main nahi samja. I don't understand. Whenever you start speaking or practicing with someone and you're having difficulty, you can ask them if they speak English, where you're more comfortable at the moment, and then you speak with them. And how do you ask that? Kya aap अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं? Do you speak English? क्या आप अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं? Or क्या आप अंग्रेजी बोलती हो? That's for a feminine, a female. At the end, when you've made a new friend, you should be able to say, nice to meet you. Or even in the beginning stages of the conversation, you can say, nice to meet you. Aapse milka khushi hui. Aapse milka khushi hui. I believe knowing how to say these things is a good wrap-up for introduction in Hindi. On the side, I've learned a lot of things also. Fir milenge. See you soon. Dhanyavad. Thank you. Bohot dhanyavad. Thank you very much. A little. Thoodi bohot. So, whatever language you're learning, try and cover these areas. Try and cover the greetings, try and cover the introduction parts, question and answers. And also, when you begin conversations, things like, where do you come from? How long have you been learning? Do you speak? I speak a little. And don't forget the phrase, I don't understand. Very, very important. I don't understand. Shama Kijie. I almost forgot. I'm learning the numbers. Ich, do. I've forgotten number 3. 4 is cha. And 5, I'm still working on it. So that's where I am right now, trying to cover the numbers. From the numbers, I should try and learn some more phrases. Where are you? Kaha. Oh no, sorry. Where is kaha? So Accra Mall, kaha. Where is Accra Mall? Mission House, kaha. Where is the Mission House? So these are the things I'm covering for the next stage of the studies, and I hope that whatever language you're learning, you're making some progress as well. Also, don't forget to check out the French playlist, and that is if you're learning French. And also watch out for the new videos coming this month. It's going to be fantastic. And mind you, I've been learning all these phrases over the past week, going over them, reciting, rehearsing, trying to remember as much as I can. And it's not been easy, but it's doable. If you enjoy the videos, please give a like and share to help support the channel. Thank you very much and see you soon. Filmilinge.
Speak English. Hindi में बात करो. Шуачунвен. Habla español. Говорит по-русски. Качуй.